Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. Now in this video I am going to show you how to add custom bullet point in Google Docs. Let's get started. Firstly, open your Google Docs app, then go to your Google Docs document. Then select the bullet point and click right on your mouse, and here you can see here are custom bullet point. Now I'm click on, again select the bullet point and right click on your mouse and select letter. Same way. Now here we can see add custom bullet point in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.